So today is Thanksgiving. Wait, was it yesterday?
Yeah.
Yesterday was Thanksgiving.
No, 2 days ago was Thanksgiving.
2 days ago was Thanksgiving. And we are home from the beach. And we are going to cook our Thanksgiving meal today. What's today's date? It was the 30th.
My belly again.
Oh, sorry. Crispy is making some seasoning for the turkey. Is that what you're doing?
Yes, I'm creating a rub to put on the turkey because I'm gonna smoke the turkey this time.
I'm gonna shut this before you hit your head. So this is our kitchen. This is what?
Cornbread.
Cornbread. Is this your mama's recipe?
Yes.
Yes. Turkey is almost done de-thawing. I think he's going to attempt to smoke the turkey this year. So we are soaking the pieces of wood. So we're on our way to Multiplaza. We're gonna let the kids slide down a slide. But really we need a couple more presents for us. No. Okay. There's a couple more presents that we need for the, there's some children we're buying presents for. It's kind of, I guess the best way to explain it is like an angel tree. Crispy?
Yep.
They're girls, so I think probably some like lotion and some teenage girl stuff. Let's see if I can call on my teacher abilities to know high school girls. We'll see. This place is like growing a lot. There's a lot of construction going on. A lot of explosions.
Bad portion.
Uh-huh. Santa speaks every language in the world.
Yeah.
Let's go eat. Oh my God, what was that? So I figure we can show you the house a little bit today. Do you want to show them the house? Okay, he's outside. So, first things first. This is our backyard. Hi, Dada. So this is our backyard.
Pina, come on, come here.
It's our backyard. This right here is like just a screened-in area, and those are bananas from the. Wait a minute. Babe, are we missing a banana tree? The banana tree's gone. Yeah.
They cut some stuff down, yeah.
They cut a whole tree.
I did see it out there.
Look, right here. The banana tree that was right here.
No.
Yeah.
There's never been one there, dear.
Yes, because a whole thing of bananas was growing from there.
From that one.
No, that's too little for a whole thing of bananas.
They cut it down.
I don't know.
I'm telling you, it used to be a lot bigger.
They
cut it down.
What do you mean they cut it down?
It was like 3 trees right here.
I know, but that bigger tree is gone. All right, so we are missing a tree. Anyways, we have a couple of banana trees out here. You can even see the bananas growing right there. Do you see? Do you see? So this is it. This is our back. Oh, Pina, I'm sorry. Hi, Pina. Hi, girl. Hi, Kiki. So we have like 6 of these balls the kids will put there. And our neighbor kids will come and play. Hi, Pina. I miss you too. I miss you too. Oh. So that's Pina. Somebody in El Salvador didn't want her. So of course we snatched her up really quick. So we didn't really buy her. She was given to us. So those are the bananas from the banana tree that is no longer there. This is our hot tub Mr. Crispy had to have. And you come through here. We have our, what is this, living room right here. We usually will move these couches together, and on this whole wall right here, we will use the projector and project movies. Pina! This is Pina from El Salvador, Fistiki from Greece. These two are from Texas. Anyways, this is where we're gonna put our Christmas tree. It's gonna be delivered on tomorrow. Tomorrow is December 1st. We're gonna have it delivered then. And we're gonna be able to decorate our Christmas tree. Hi, bub. These are the rest of the presents for like the angel tree thing. We had to get some for the teenage girls because they did not want toys, I'm sure, from Walmart. This is just an extra bathroom for downstairs. This is Jordan's playroom. I'm surprised it's clean. Then we have a room over here, which we don't use this part of the house. So this has our washer and dryer where we put our suitcases in. There's also a bedroom back here, but again, we don't use this part of the house. We have just a bed, curtains, and then here's a bathroom, another bathroom. But this is more for what our nanny uses, I think. We don't really go back here, but she does when she's here. Hi, Pina. Hi, Pina. Hi, Fistiki. Come on. Let's go. What? Basically, there's the kitchen, the living room I just showed you, the dining room I showed you, and we also have this room up here, but we really haven't done much to it. We've kind of neglected it a little, but it's got like extra electronics. This is our shoes and stuff, and bowls, and this is where we call it the spray room, actually, because we usually have a bunch of sprays that we use every morning before school because there are tons of mosquitoes out. This you can see outside. So we have this area of the house, then we have this area of the house where we sleep. So first room is Bub's. This is Bub's room. It's kind of messy, but whatever. Oh, that's Cortland's room. These blinds are a hot mess. I don't really know what to do with them. Crispy bought them, but they're the wrong color and the wrong size. So yeah, we had to buy these air conditioners because it was hot. So here's their kids' bathroom. We seriously haven't decorated or done anything to this house. This is Jordan's room. Again, we have some mismatched, what are they called? Mini blinds. She picked out her color. We bought her an air conditioner. So yeah, here's the kids' bathroom. It's kind of a hot mess. We've got like toothpaste in the window. So yeah, this is Jordan's room. And then me and Crispy's room is down here. We haven't painted any of the other walls. I don't think we will, just because we don't want to make this house too personal, I guess. So here's our room. This is it. Just not much as far as like decorations or anything. And you can see the outside. You can see far. You can't really see, but there's pretty mountains over there. And then this is our closet and our bathroom. right here. So, yeah. So that's our house. Fistiki! Hi, boy. Hi, boy. How are you? Hi. So that's our house. We are cooking for Thanksgiving. We are hopefully going to have a really nice meal. Hopefully.
It's like a bakery. Here it is. Chocolate.
¿No tiene el pie de manzana?
Orange juice. Croissants. Pizza. Jelly cookies. We have guards that defend us, and we got cookies for them. My mom's probably gonna tell me to run, so I'm putting the leash right on it. And there we go, so now it's safe. Okay, now we're running. Let's go. Go, go, go. Go, go. We're not gonna make it!
You want turkey, Pina? Fistiki? Fistiki? Fistiki?
Kiki!
Fistiki? Fistiki?
Got her.
Fistiki?
I got Pina. Got Pina. Why didn't Pina get any?
Alright, well, Thanksgiving was a success. This is our leftovers that we have left. We are going to watch the LSU football game. Alright, happy Thanksgiving, guys. Happy Thanksgiving.